In this video, we've unboxed the intriguing and captivating GoPro HERO12 camera and demonstrated how to connect it to a smartphone. Stay with us until the end of the video, like and subscribe. As you can see, all the specifications of this camera are written on its box. Inside the box, there's a white container whose purpose is to securely hold the camera. It's very durable and sturdy. Inside the protective case, there are several brochures, a USB Type-C cable for charging the camera, a battery, and several other small accessories, all included with the GoPro itself. When you remove the camera from its designated spot, you'll notice that it's covered by several paper covers. You'll then unfold them to open the camera. Now, you'll add the accessories and the battery to the camera. Please pay close attention to the instructions in the video to avoid any issues. Please pay close attention to the instructions in the video to avoid any issues. Before using the camera, you must update it to ensure it functions properly. For updating, you'll need the dedicated GoPro app called GoPro Quick. In the first step, you'll turn on the GoPro, then follow the instructions provided in this video. Make sure to install the GoPro Quick app on your smartphone so that you can update the camera using it. Now, easily connect your smartphone to the GoPro via Bluetooth. Ensure that your mobile device's location is turned on. Now, easily connect your smartphone to the GoPro via Bluetooth. Ensure that your mobile device's location is turned on. After fully connecting your phone to the GoPro camera, a new update for the GoPro camera will appear on your phone. Simply click on the download option to start the download process. Of course, please note that your phone must be connected to the internet. Now, you need to wait until the download process is completed. Now, you need to wait until the download process is completed. After the download is complete, reconnect to the GoPro camera once again, and click on the Accept and Continue option. Now, wait for the downloaded file to transfer to your GoPro. You need to wait 10 to 15 minutes for your GoPro camera to fully update and be ready for use. You need to wait 10 to 15 minutes for your GoPro camera to fully update and be ready for use. You have finished using your phone, and for now, just wait for the GoPro camera to be ready for use. And now your GoPro is ready to use. It's that simple. Enjoy filming with this beautiful and compact camera. Thank you for watching the video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to support us. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments.